So after almost 9 hours bus ride, we are here at Machakala on 25th, and you can see the mountains there. It's beautiful. So यता पुलबाट चाहिँ जगती जान सकिन्छ, तर 1 घण्टा आधी ग्याप हुन्छ. I mean like there will be difference of 1.5 hours. So we walk from the roadway. So हामी लन्च खाएपछि यता जाँदैछौँ. हेलो, हामी चाहिँ यहाँ जगत जाँदैछौँ लन्च प्लेसको लागि. हामीलाई 4 घन्टा लाग्यो. एन्ड हामी चाहिँ रोडबाट हिँड्दैछौँ. अझै 3 घन्टा तिमीलाई लागि लाग्छ होला जगत पुग्न. सो टोटली इट्स 7 to 8 hours from Machakala. Check it out. After walking 10 to 15 minutes from Jagat, we are here at this beautiful place. You mean the waterfalls and everything looks so beautiful, you can see. यता मनस्लु हामी लन्च गर्ने ठाउँ. एक्लैपट्टि चिसो पानी भन्छ यसलाई. And it's very good place for lunch. You can see. So we are at Deng. हामी चाहिँ डेङमा पुग्यौँ 1 घन्टा हिँडेर पेवाबाट. And the height is 1,860 meters. And this village is quite beautiful. I mean, like, not quite, that's beautiful. So for Chumbeli, we go from here. Chumbeli को लागि चाहिँ यता जाने. अनि लड्के पासको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँले पुल क्रस गर्दै जानुपर्ने हुन्छ. यता ट्रेकरहरू देख्नु भएको छ होला. ट्रेकर्सहरू जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ.
Yeah, like they're our size.
Yeah.
Not like in the cheese. They're all like made from so they're like
तिर बाटो देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. अनि यो चाहिँ माथि जाने चाहिँ बिही. अनि हामी चाहिँ यो क्रस गर्दै लड्के पास जानुपर्ने बाटो चाहिँ त्यसको चाहिँ तल्लो बाटो हुने. I don't know if it's called film or ferry, but we crossed the bridge. अनि हामी चाहिँ तल्ल लेफ्टपट्टि लाग्नुपर्छ है हजुर. तल्लो बाटो सजिलो बाटो हुँदै. सो पेवादेखि नाम्लो जाने बाटोमा चाहिँ एकदम उकालो छ. उकाली ओह्राली मिक्स. So we are here at Burr, and it was quite a very difficult walk. But now from here to go for 1 hour. So बोरबाट आएपछि चाहिँ हामी पुल क्रस गर्दैनौँ. हामी यो बाटो हिँड्छौँ. I was so confused with that because there was no sign and people get confused. after we crossed this very dangerous landslide, and you can see waves and shade are so ready to do that. So हामी चाहिँ अहिले कापमा पुगेका छौँ अनि आज चाहिँ जङ्गल के छ चन्लाको यहाँबाट 1 घण्टा आधी. So it's beautiful and the gate. Next to go अर्को गाउँ छ लेबाट आउने पुल क्रस गर्दै. So waiting you अब ब्रिज क्रस गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ हामी टाढो उकालो छ है फेरि यता जङ्गलहरू त सँग एक घण्टा आधी उकालो छ भनेको छ. So difficult part to be like serious. From Lee, we stayed for lunch and we are going on right. We turn right. This is the one. We're walking a few minutes from the loop. We have to cross this bridge. So we are going from shore on the way to Samaga. So pretty. To go to Shala, we took the right one. You can see just the bus. Chill and there is a walking. We are so tired. So we are here at so it's the way to Samaga. We cross the second bridge and we go straight. I mean like we cross two bridge, okay? And from Shella you take right path to the bakery.
I know this is just a secret, but it's something because I got a license and then I was like, no, this is making it.
So 2 घण्टा आधी हिँडेर चाहिँ हामी यहाँ पुङ्गेलमा पुग्यौँ सामु गाउँबाट. अनि बाटो चाहिँ एकदम सजिलो छ, एकदम सजिलो. सामु गाउँबाट यता स्याला आउने बाटै आउनुपर्छ. अनि त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ यता साइन ठ्याक्क छ पुङ्गिन जाने ठुलै बाटो छ. त्यहाँबाट आउने त्यो सानसानो जस्तो पर आउने अनि बाटो त सिधा छ. यहाँ माथि केही छैन, माथि घर पनि छ चिया.
It's better she doesn't want to sit there and freeze.